California man was charged with 5 felony counts, criminal counts, including falsely claiming to be a licensed doctor and practicing medicine on thousands of individuals, offering treatment for serious medical conditions, including cancer. The LA District Attorney announced that Mr. Stephen Gevorkian, who lives in Studio City, California, faces 5 felony counts for practicing medicine without a certification. I'm Scott Radigan. I'm the founder of Functional Lawyer, and I try not to harp on all the negative, but some people ask me, like, do people actually get in trouble for this kind of stuff? And the answer is absolutely yes. So we're going to try to highlight a few of these. This one is from 2023. This is April 2023. The DA said, practicing medicine without a license is not only a criminal activity in California, it can cause irreparable harm to the health of unsuspecting people, some with serious illnesses who believe they're under the care of a licensed physician. So what happened was, I guess they received a complaint. Some of the details are fuzzy because we can't get the court documents yet. His first appearance, the hearing is May 24th, 2023, and we'll update this as we get more information. But an undercover investigator for the DA's office went to what's called Pathways Medical, posed as a patient, sat down with Gevorkian, who was the owner and operator of the business, according to the statement from the DA. Throughout the consultation, he allegedly failed to address hormonal red flags, which were indicators of possible significant illness. According to the statement, again, the business conducts blood tests on patients, advises them on treatments, and offers treatment for serious conditions, including cancer and viral infections. According to the investigator, in the consultation, Gevorkian allegedly failed to accurately address abnormal levels of a hormone that could indicate a serious medical condition. Now, the website for Pathways Medical has been taken down, but there are archives online. And so if we've gone to the archive site, it says on their site, IV vitamin therapy has helped heal countless of our patients. They also say, we received countless testimonials of patients gaining their lives back, reversing illnesses as severe as autoimmune disorders, cancers, and other chronic illnesses as too, a typo there, on their site, other chronic illnesses too, as common as high blood pressure and high cholesterol. The archive site also said that next you'll meet with our wonderful doctor after initial consultation. You'll have a 1-hour-long consult where he will discuss all your lab results, treatment plan, and any questions or concerns you might have. Additionally, several testimonials on the website refer to Dr. G as a really great provider. So it's not clear what this person's credentials are, if any, but it's clear that at least to some of these patients who are calling him Dr. G and that they've highlighted on their website, believe him to be Dr. G. Longtime subscribers to Functional Lawyer will know that, in California, doctors of nurse practitioners or doctorate, DNPs, cannot call themselves doctor in California. And so somebody else got in trouble just this year for that, or a little bit late last year. It's important to note that the defendant's attorney said, sadly, the DA's public statements about this case are more about optics than substance. Any suggestion that Mr. Gevorkian was impersonating a doctor in an effort to deceive and treat unsuspecting patients is misleading and demonstrably false. Keep in mind, people are innocent until proven guilty, so there's no judgment being passed here. I'm just reading out the facts. So we'll update this. His first hearing is again May 24th, 2023. But just know there are undercover investigators out there, usually in response to a complaint. They're not just kind of sitting, going randomly most of the time. But make sure your legal stuff is like locked down. Make sure you've got a good, solid plan in place to prevent these kinds of things. If it is just a misunderstanding, wow, what a huge stressful event this is in that person's life. It could be totally avoided. But if it's worse, then that person is looking at probable time in jail. So either way, let's make sure that people in your practice that you're seeing are clear about who you are, what you do, and then always have good legal protections in place. If you need any help with any of that, you know where to turn at functionallawyer.com. Otherwise, subscribe below, and we'll see you guys next time.